When experiencing issues with the Microsoft Teams app, there are several steps you can take to resolve the problem. First, try resetting your device, as this often resolves the issue. If that doesn't work, attempt to reinstall the Microsoft Teams app by tapping and holding on the app icon, selecting Remove App, and then choosing Delete App. After deletion, reinstall the app from the App Store. If the issue persists, try switching your network connection. For example, if you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, and vice versa. As a last resort, you can reset your device's network settings by opening the Settings menu, selecting General, and then scrolling down to Transfer or Reset your device. From there, tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. This will reset your network settings. And after your device reboots, the Microsoft Teams app should function properly. These steps can be applied to both iOS and Android devices.